This isn't science fiction. This AI doesn't just assist workers, it replaces them. In less than a year, it's gone from a beta test to being quietly deployed inside Fortune 500 companies. And you've probably never heard of it. The tool is called Devin, the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. Built by a startup called Conusys, Devin doesn't just generate code, it tests, debugs, deploys, and even updates itself. It can complete real freelance tasks posted on Upwork. It's already solving entire software tickets that would take junior devs hours, in just minutes. And it doesn't ask for coffee breaks, holidays, or healthcare. So who's at risk? Not just programmers. Devin is part of a new wave of AI agents that are expanding into copywriting, graphic design, customer service, data analysis, and even legal research. These aren't your average chatbots. These are fully autonomous workers that can accept instructions, make decisions, and take actions, all without human supervision. These AIs are powered by large language models and built-in task memory. They don't just respond, they plan. Think of it like a personal assistant that can also be your marketer, your coder, your editor, and your project manager, all in one. Companies see them as a shortcut to reduce costs and increase output. To them, that means fewer employees. To you, that might mean fewer opportunities. One marketing agency quietly replaced 3 junior writers with AI last month. No announcement. A small legal firm used AI to write case summaries, cutting their intern program in half. And an e-commerce store scaled to 6 figures using just 1 employee and 4 AI tools. The transition is already happening. You just haven't seen it. Yet, this isn't a warning. It's a reality check. If you don't learn how to use these tools, someone else will, and they'll do your job faster and cheaper. But here's the secret, you don't need to fear the AI, if you become the one deploying it. Learn how it works. Learn how to prompt. Learn how to lead. Because in 5 years, the people who understand AI won't be looking for jobs. They'll be running the companies replacing everyone else.